Hello Standard 10, your Arun sir, and today career counseling part 2 means part 1 we have already finished. What we have discussed in part 1, we have discussed career after 10th, okay, and job opportunity after 10th, whether science, arts, commerce doesn't matter. Means that we have discussed career after 10th. Now, suppose you are a science student and opted PCM, physics, chemistry, maths, or physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, both can be there. In plus 2, you are going to opt physics, chemistry, maths, or physics, chemistry, biology, or biotechnology, and thinking to become engineer or doctor. My dear child, one advice I have: start your preparation after 10th only. Start preparation after 10th, means plus 2 and medical or engineering preparation, both can be together. Means some extra work you have to do. Very clear? So, if you are thinking to crack IIT, to crack NEET, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, or medical examination, be serious after 10th only. Naturally, if you are thinking to become an engineer or doctor, you must opt either PCM or PCB. Okay. Now, you have for medical you have to appear. If you have opted PCB and thinking to go for the medical examination, you have to appear for the NEET examination, NEET exam. Okay. And national eligibility cum entrance test, national eligibility cum entrance test. Or if you are thinking to become an engineer, then you will go for JEE mains exam. It is after 12th. After 12th science, you can go for NEET exam for medical PCB candidate, and here PCM candidate can go for mains exam. Okay, and mains exam in a year 4 times it is. You will find the detail in Google, and after mains about 1,50,000 candidates are selected, and they appear for advanced exam. And about 10 to 15,000 candidates are selected for IIT. Very clear. And rest can get NIT and so on, other engineering colleges. Same is the case in the medical, and you can appear for 3 consecutive years, 3 chances. 3 chances are there. Okay. Suppose you are appearing in 12th examination in 2021. Then 2022, 2023, 3 consecutive year you can appear for the examination. 3 consecutive chances are given for you to crack IIT exam, JEE means Joint Entrance Examination. And what I have told, that if you are thinking to become a doctor or engineer, Be serious after 10th. Start doing coaching related to this examination. Okay. And if you are staying in McCluskey-Ganj, for McCluskey-Ganj, CCL provide a very good opportunity. CCL, okay, provide a very good opportunity for the students to become an engineer. And they asked to appear for examination and select boys and girls both. Boys are called CCL K Lal and girls CCL K Ladli. Girls are the Ladli and boys are the Lal. And after 10th only, and they give free of cost coaching, fooding, lodging, +2, everything free of cost. And many of our students, each year, at least one student, either boy or girl or both, are selected from our school as a CCLK Lal or CCLK Ladli. Free of cost education and coaching they provide for the JEE mains examination. Very clear? And other option after 10th, you can appear for Super 30 exam. And this exam is conducted by our famous Anand sir, great mathematician Anand sir in Patna. And he select 30 students, talented but belonging to poor background, poor students, and provide free coaching for the IIT examination. Even they provide fooding, lodging, books, everything free of cost. But you have to be selected in 30 students. And one of the criteria is that you must be belong to a poor background. So after 10th only, CCLK Lal, CCLK Ladli and Super 30 exam are there, which provide you the coaching for the preparation of engineering examination. Suppose you are not selected, you are not interested in CCLK Lal, CCLK Ladli or Super 30, then how to prepare? Okay, anywhere in India you can get coaching. Physics, chemistry, biology for the medical examination is asked, and for engineering, physics, chemistry and maths is asked. Okay. So, not only if you are trying for medical examination, don't think that you are going to become MBBS or according to marks BDS knowing Bachelor of Dental Surgeon, दांत का डॉक्टर. नेक्स्ट BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicine and Surgery, BHMS, BVSC, बैचलर ऑफ वेटरनरी साइंस गाय भैंस का डॉक्टर. ओके, बैचलर ऑफ यूनानी मेडिसिन, ऑल according to marks you will get. So together only these examination in NEET, according to the marks you can get these courses. Next, if you are not thinking to become or go for the medical examination, you can go whether art, maths or biology, both can go for what? They can go for ICAR examination. It is for the agriculture. You can study agriculture, and in agriculture also 4-year course, very good career is there. You will become BSc agriculture or BTech agriculture, and even in bank agriculture officers are there. In each and every block agriculture officer, BAO, block agriculture officer, and gazetted post. In bank also agriculture officer. In bank, each bank agriculture officer is there. In each block agriculture officer are there, and very good career in this agriculture also. You can go for the agriculture exam. Okay. You can go for BSc pharmacy. You can study pharmacy, biology and maths, both candidate. Pharmacy, where how to prepare medicine it is taught. BSc pharmacy. Or you can go for BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, and you have seen physiotherapists are there in the playground. They are also doctor. Okay, but this bio candidate will only go in Bachelor of Physiotherapy, but in agriculture and pharmacy, maths candidate also can go. So it was about the career after 10+2 science. If you are not interested, some more courses you have passed +2. +2 means 12th by science, commerce or arts. You can go combinedly, means anyone can go for certain courses. Let us discuss about those courses. Okay. You can do BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, and after that you can do MBA. You can go for BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, and later on you can do MCA, Master of Computer Application in the field of software. Okay, software field, Bachelor of Computer Application or Master of Computer Application. Okay, or you can go for Chartered Accountancy, CA. You can go for Hotel Management, and one Hotel Management Institute in Mandar also there is, and I will send you the detail of the Hotel Management Institute, Mandar, Ranchi. So Hotel Management course you can do. You can become Company Secretaryship, CS, Company Secretaryship. Anyone can go, whether you have studied science, commerce, arts, doesn't matter, but these courses can be done. Okay. Or there are more opportunity for science candidates comparing to commerce and arts. You can go for a mass communication, Bachelor of Arts in mass communication, and here you can become journalist in print media or electronic media, print media or electronic media. and one of our student is studying mass communication in Lady Sri Ram College, one of the best college of women in Delhi University, and trying to become journalist. Very clear? These are the fields where you can go. These fields are for the art, science, commerce, everyone. Okay. But suppose you are thinking to go for the genetics. You are thinking to go for the genetics. Then you must pass +2 by biology or biotechnology. Pisciculture means fish. Pisciculture related to fish. Dairy technology. Okay. Only bio candidate can go. Okay. You can go for fashion technology. Fashion technology. You can go for leather technology. Okay. These are the courses. Or other than this, you can go for the DL Ed. Diploma in Education, and after diploma in education you can do CTET, Central Teacher Eligibility Test. Central Teacher Eligibility Test. Okay, and you can become after 12th only. If you have done DLED and passed CTET, you can become primary or middle school teacher. Middle school teacher. And teacher salary is very handsome. In Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kendriya Vidyalaya, state government. Okay. You can go for JTET, Jharkhand Teacher Eligibility Test, BTET, Bihar Teacher Eligibility Test. But if you will pass BTET, you can join only in Bihar. If you will pass JTET, you have to join only in, you are eligible to join as a middle school or primary school teacher only in Jharkhand. But if you have qualified CTET, you can go for any of the state and the central government job also as a primary school or middle school teacher. So this part after 12th you can do DLED, or this is open for art, science, commerce, all. You can go for the CLAT examination. CLAT, C-L-A-T, Common Law Admission Test, and here you can do LLB, Bachelor of Law, and you can become a lawyer or judicial magistrate or a judge. Lawyer, judicial magistrate, or judges. And this CLAT, if you have cracked, it is a 5 years course. After this 5 years LLB course you have to do, and then you can become a lawyer, judicial magistrate, or judges. And this field is open for all arts, science, commerce. Very clear? Now, you can go for 5 years course. BA, B.Ed, or BSc, B.Ed, BCom, B.Ed, Together, these are 5 years course. Okay, 5 years course. And after that, you can become teacher in high school. Without B.Ed, you can't become a teacher in high school. So after 12th only, you can go for these courses, and after completion of these courses, you can try to become a high school teacher. Now, whatever I have discussed, that is about the course after 12th. Now, I belong to a very poor family and I can't afford such type of courses. Though, my dear children, if you are selected in these courses, bank will provide you loan, and by that loan only you can study, and when you will go for the job, then only return that loan. So loan facility is there if you are selected in these courses, IIT, medical, these whatever I have mentioned for the courses, the bank will provide you the loan facility and you can study. So money is not a matter. Now I am thinking after 12th, I am thinking to do a job, not for the course. Then where I should go? What should I try? Okay, I can go for the NDA, National Defense Academy, and can become an army officer, air force officer, navy officer. I can go for the railway. In railway, TT, TC, these jobs are there after 12th. I can go for SSC exam, staff selection commission exam, where clerks are made. I can go for the typist. I can become a typist, a stenographer. Means shorthand. You have to learn shorthand and type. Stenographer. I can join Coast Guard or Army, Air Force, Navy. Okay, Army, Air Force, Navy. I can become deck cadets, and you can go for merchant navy. These are the courses after 12th. You can go for the merchant navy as a deck cadet, and after promotion you can become a captain in the merchant navy, captain of a ship. Okay, you can become constable in any of the paramilitary forces, constable, sipahi, after 12th. Okay, in any of the paramilitary forces. So these are the careers after 12th. Career opportunity after 12th, arts, science or commerce. Dear children, this was part 2. I will send you the detail of these things, and in the next video we will discuss career after graduation. Okay, today up to this much. Thank you very much.